Hey guys, it's Edit and Eddie Fan 97, and today I have the holy grail of Sonic collecting, well, my holy grail of Sonic collecting in this box. Now, I am extremely excited, so yeah, let's open this up right now. Alright, here we go. Oh, okay, give me a few seconds. Let me find a way to open this up without damaging the actual plush. Okay, so I'm gonna try to, there, okay. Okay, I don't know how to get this open securely, so I'm gonna have to, flip the camera around for a bit. Oh my god. Okay, I have a better idea. I'm just gonna rip off the tape. Wow, this is not as easy as it looks, but I'll get there. Okay, oh my god, okay. Oh, I found a better way to open it. Okay, I'm gonna try to find a good way to open this because this is really weird. Come on. Oh boy. Okay. Come on. Okay, so there, I got a little slit in it. Let's go. Okay, come on. Oh, I feel it. So there I can't, yeah, I'm trying to, yeah, it's in there. Oh, there it is. Oh, okay, there, I've got a better idea. Okay, this is really weird. Yeah, this is awkward to open, not gonna lie. But he's in there, whatever it is. Okay, I got it. I got more of it. Okay, this is really weird, but okay, I see it. Oh, yo, this is him. It's him. Get out, you. All right, so, all right. Oh God. So yeah, I forgot to mention this was a gift from a YouTuber named PatMac. You may know him. All right, got him out. Come on. Hold on one sec. There he is. What could it be? There we go. Yo. Okay. So, oh my God. Yo. Okay, you guys. So here he is. 1997 Sonic. Yes. The Grail has been finally achieved. Oh my God, he's amazing. All right, let me throw the box out of the way. So yeah, this is a pretty rare 90s Sonic plush from Joy Paulus. Oh my God, he's awesome. Wow. Yo, this is amazing. Oh my God. So yeah, this is my holy grail. I am so happy to have him. Oh my God, this was my holy grail for so many years, and I finally have him. Yo, this is awesome. Oh man. So yeah, that concludes the unboxing of 1997 Sonic. I hope you all enjoyed. Of course, I will review him soon, okay? Man, this is awesome. All right, goodbye, y'all.